Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to focus on the eyes and the nose and the mouth. I will show you how to draw each one step by step in the simple way. These are the just basic steps. Once you understand this, you can draw face much more easily. I also have a few sample pages here. I just Google it out so you can see how everything comes together. This is the web page I just searched on the Google. So, alright, let's move on. Now select the horizontal line tool. It will show a line appears on the camera. I will adjust the brush size as per I needed. Coming back to the point, the line helps lot of because when you draw in one eye, it keeps the other side balanced. Both eyes on same level. Okay, now let's start drawing the eyes. Okay, I will open the darker settings and then I will just get started drawing the eyes. Make sure you write on the rectangle size. It look familiar to draw. That eyes look like crazy. Once we finish the drawing, we will adjust as per we needed. We could not able to figure out the things like how we are going to do. We will just start and we will finish by one. Select the circle and move to the exact point we needed. Yeah, it's look fine right now, and I will erase the upside. It's it would look like better. I will just adjust my brush size. Yeah, wait, hold on a second. Little bit. Okay. Yeah, it look fine right now. Once we finish that, we will adjust the eyes after the edge of the hair we finished on the next video. Yeah, it looks nice. See how the eyes has been good. Now I just draw an eyebrow. My bad, it's not coming good at the time. Don't worry, we will just draw. After then we will fix everything as per we needed. We are just a beginner, we are just learning the things right now. Looks fine right now. Slightly I will adjust the eyebrow corner size. Looks better. Just draw the nose. After then we'll switch to the mouth, like we'll just draw a straight line and then we will fix it. Sorry, I could not able to load that video. I just clip it out when I am drawing the nose. See, now the mouth and nose, eyes are being synced. Okay. Make sure you subscribe the channel and future videos it will be get quickly. Yeah. Thank you guys. See you on the next video.